We've got two machines here. We've got the Race Red Cyclone model RL-RRC. This machine is to apply labels to straight cylindrical containers, and it'll do any straight cylindrical container from an inch in diameter up to about 3.5 inches, right around there. This is a regular style pill bottle or medicine bottle or whatever. It's a Boston Round, and we're going to apply the label. You put it in the rolling area. It goes up against the bottle stop. With a slight tug, that engages the label to the bottle, and then you just roll it, and the label gets applied. When you're done rolling, when you're done, the label's done applying, the machine stops automatically. It won't put another label on until you're ready. And it puts it on absolutely perfect level, no bubbles, no wrinkles, no creases. That is the race model RL-RRC, called the Race Red Cyclone. Now, this machine is in what I'm going to demonstrate now. This machine is contained within here, but this machine can do a lot more than this machine can do. This machine can come with any or all of these extras over here. I'm going to point out a few of the features on it. It's got a guide roller in the back that keeps the labels running smoothly. It's got a very important piece here called the rear tensioner, which provides tension from right here where the label flags out, provides tension from right here to right here, which is very important. You cannot do that unless roll stock. You can do it with that winding method, but if they're not on a roll, you have to have a tensioner like this to keep it running like it's supposed to run with no slack. Anyway, it comes with these two black discs that are on here, but for this kind of operation here, non-roll stock, these labels are just coming from anywhere. It can be fan folded flat stock, it can be looping right out of a printer. The labels have to be connected to each other in a web, in a line, but they don't have to be on a roll stock. And so what I'm going to do is show you how it's done. I'm going to apply a label to this small 100 milliliter flask. And to do that, we'll turn the crank handle and flag the label out to a certain location, which is very easy to identify. The bottle then goes into this nesting area here, and it teeters down, kisses, and then you pull it forward as you roll. Very easy to do. Puts the label in the perfect spot on the bottle with no wrinkles or bubbles. I'll demonstrate that one more time. It's flagged out to the location that's predetermined, into the nesting area, teeter down, kiss the label. Once again, you get the label in the perfect position, perfectly level, and no bubbles or wrinkles. And this is adjustable for different bottles. And we call this model the RLC-DX. It stands for Race